Now we'll create a heat chart, which is very important for the management. It is used to analyze performance in a pivot table form. And it shows each level of performance in a different color. For example, the management want to analyze the profit percent of each branch on a monthly basis. And here it is advisable to use the variable expression that we created before. It's called the profit percent, that contains the formula sum of profit loss over sum of cost. The colors are red for danger, orange usually in business it is for warning, blue it is used to represent safe and acceptable values, whereas green presents the success and the good values. We have to apply those colors in the heat chart. If our profit percent is less than 3%, then we show the figures in red color. Else, if the profit percent is between 3% and 6%, we show the figures in orange color. If profit percent is between 6% and 9%, then we show the figures in blue color. Else, if profit percent is greater than 9%, then we show the figures in green color. So the steps to do it, we right-click new sheet object. Okay, we select chart and then we select the pivot chart. In the dimension, we select the branch and month. And our expression is $profit percent. Okay, I prefer to use this one or this variable. The variable is preceded by $, and it is enclosed between parentheses. Or you can use sum of profit loss over sum of cost. So it is preferable to use the variable here in the expression. And then on the expression, you press on the plus to do expansion, and you press on the text color, and on the definition, you put the formula. The formula is as the simple if-else use in Excel. If profit percent, this is your variable, $profit percent, less than 0.03, which is 3%, then it goes to the true, which is, okay, red. It will put red. Comma, it will go if it is false. Then, if it is greater than or equal 0.03, the system will apply the second if condition. It will check if the profit percent is less than 0.06, which is 6%. Then, if it goes here, then it checks if it is between 3% and 6%. If it is true, it will apply the second color, which represents the orange. So because we don't have orange directly, we can select the orange color, and we select its RGB. It is red, green, and blue. The system will do the merge between the colors to get the orange. It is 255 represent red, green it is 128, and blue 0 it will represent the orange. So else, if it is not, then the system will check if profit percent less than 0.09, which is 9%, then it will be between 6% and 9%, it will be blue. If it is not, then it will be greater than 9%, which represents the green. So those colors will be presented. I'll explain it, I'll do it in this way, and then I'll do it in more easier way, which is the visual cues. So to do it, right click, new sheet object. Okay, we select charts, we select the pivot table, this one, next. Okay, we select the branch as a dimension and the month. Add. Next, the system will ask me about the expression. It is, I'll use the variable profit percent, which presents the sum of profit loss over sum of cost. Okay, finish, and that's it. Okay, right click, properties, I'll give it a name which is heat chart analysis of profit. Okay, and for the numbers I'll select the number fixed to 2 decimals and I select show in percent, apply, and okay. Then I drag and drop the chart to the container. I can press to expand to get the months. I can select the months and move it up for the months. Okay, double click. So those are, in this way, those are my figures. Now I want to know, okay, the colors. To do the coloring, what do? I go to the chart, properties, to the expression, I press on the plus, I go to the text color, and then what do I do here? I write the formula that we presented before, copy and paste, so I not write it, apply, and okay, and here you see the colors. So this is 18%, it is in green. This is 3% is represented, 3.39 is represented in what? And not red, it is on orange. So negative numbers like here, it is in blue, and the ones which are safe in blue. Where are the danger, sorry, the negative one is represented in red. So this is one way to represent the numbers in the colors in this way. Okay, there are more easy way to do it in the visual cues that contain just the 3 colors. How to do that? Right click, properties. You can go to the visual cues here, okay? And you can select the colors. Like, for example, I want 15%, 0.15 to represent in the green. Whereas the red, it is less than or equal, as you see here, of 0.03%. And the other one between 15 and 3, it is acceptable. It has to be in blue color. Okay. Okay. Apply. Okay. And then I go to where? To the expression. I have to remove what I did before in the text color, because I applied now the visual cues. Apply. Okay. Then the system now works according to the visual cues. Either visual cues, or you can add your coloring to the text color of the expression, and you can write the complicated formula. Both of them works well.